Well, hi again. Welcome to my latest video. Well, this is going to be part 2 of my granddaughter's computer build. Natalie is sitting right over here and she's watching, right, Natalie?
Yes.
Say hello to the camera.
Hi.
You looking forward to this computer?
Yep.
Now I have it spread out on the table here, and then I'm going to take it and put it into the case. Now, the case itself, I've already taken off all of the skins. So here's the case with both sides removed. That's the back. That's the front, okay? And I also took off the front panel as well, because we got to put fans up there, okay? So that's where she's at right now. We're only going to be putting 2 fans up here, though. There's really no room to put 3, to be honest with you, unless I put one all the way down in the bottom here. And even then, it'd be too tight, because the control panel up at top, the wires are really sticking down quite a bit.
It is.
Yeah, it's sticking down a lot. So we're not going to be able to put more than 2 fans, which is okay, because we have 3 case fans. So it'll be 2 in the front, and we'll put 1 in the back. Okay?
Okay.
And then you'll see the ones that are inside as well.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Okay, here we go. Do you see the computer out on the table, Natalie?
Yes.
Now, it's kind of a mess with all the wires. It has an RGB controller. Well, it's an RGB and fan controller, but I'm only using it for the RGB. The fans I'm connecting to the motherboard so that we have the fans all working. With that, I have a separate connection for each. One fan I'm going to put connected to the CPU option. Another one will be fan 1, another one will be fan 2. So we have enough connectors to actually control all the fans. You ready to see it? Over here is the wireless. Well, the wireless is a 6, Wi-Fi 6. It's really fast. I'm going to show that later on when I do some testing. Over here on the motherboard itself, as I mentioned before, oops, that's what happens. That's why you don't want to touch that. There we go. I actually knocked that fan down and started rubbing. But back here, we got over here an add-on card. That add-on card will give us an additional 3 USB-C connectors. And notice something here. It actually uses a PCIe connector to provide additional power to the card so that you can get fast charging if you plug something in there. Or you can plug a laptop in there because it can support it. So that's something unique to this card. I made sure I looked for that in particular. Okay, so here's everything. Here's the keyboard. It has RGB in it as well, which can be changed. All right, I won't change it now, but you like the RGB on there?
Yeah.
And it's got its own mouse and mouse mat that came with the kit. And this is really nice. This is the headset that Natalie chose online. It has RGB on it as well. It has little cat ears to it. Okay. It has a microphone that actually retracts if we want to. And I'll show that during the testing of it, how this all works later on, okay? So these are all the parts working together. I want to make sure that everything was tested completely, every wire, everything. Well, I don't have the sleeves in here that we're going to use, the pink sleeves. Those will only go when I put it in the case. But those shouldn't be a problem, you know. And if I have a problem with it, I know it's probably the sleeves, because right now the power supply connected with its cables works fine. So now let me go ahead and take this all apart, and then we're going to start putting it into the case, okay? Okay, we're now going to start with the case. Yeah. What we've already done, and Natalie did this, was to help glue this down. This is a switch, a reset switch. We need this for the controller for the RGB. So you can switch it between using the motherboard's RGB control or a remote that we have.
Okay.
So we'll be talking about that later, but this button allows us to reset it. So it's been hot glued down, and it works. We just tested it. I put a meter on here, and we tested it. So this is all done.
And I did the hot glue by myself.
Not by yourself, okay. I helped a little bit, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's put the I/O shield on. We need this on here. It matches the motherboard, but it has to be snapped into here. Okay? So let's get that in there, and we'll see what it looks like, okay? So we have to push this up into here, like this. Right? And make sure that the things for the sound are at the bottom. And we got to push this up. It's got 4 corners. So I have to click it in place. You like this? Yeah. Nice and shiny, right? Oh, 1 click. 2 clicks. 3 clicks. 4 clicks.
4 clicks,
yeah! It's in. Okay, now that we have that all in, now we can put the motherboard in. let me go and get the motherboard screws, and we'll be all set for that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Natalie, let's put the motherboard in.
Okay.
This whole thing that we did before has to go inside the case.
Okay.
And it has to go a certain way.
Well,
It has to go this way.
that's
Inside the case. So I got to get
weird.
these wires out of the way, like this. Okay, and it's got to go in here, see? Look.
Oh. Okay. I'll get one of the screws for
We got
right now.
all the screws ready to go, waiting for this to be done, okay?
Okay.
Now we got to get this in here. Look.
Oh. Did not know that. That one.
Does that look good?
Yep.
Is it in there? Let's see if they're lined up. Hold on. Without my head getting in the way.
I don't want my head getting. Your head is showing. Your head is showing.
My head is showing.
My head is not showing.
Let me see where this is. I got to be able to see the screw holes. There we go.
Phew, my head's not showing.
Okay. Let's put one in.
Got one?
Yeah, way over here. Okay, we figured it out. The thing was the wrong screw. We need a screw like this. Generally, the ones for the motherboard have a little hat on the top of them. The other one did not.
Yeah. It has. It did not have a hat on it
You want
at
to
all.
put the last one in?
Yeah. Don't want to show my face.
That's okay. Go ahead. Goes right in there. Do you see that?
Yeah. Great.
Is it going?
Yep.
Okay.
Enough?
That's enough.
Okay,
So
good.
now we can tighten them all. Okay, now let's start getting these fans in.
And I love this computer. It's really special for me, and I love it.
Good. Okay, let me get the
And
screws.
my name is Natalie, as you know.
Okay, we got the screws for the fans. I dropped one. Oh no. I'm trying
no.
to.
Don't
I'm
drop it
rushing
on the
too
floor.
much.
You're rushing too much.
I know. I'm taking too long, so that's why I'm trying to speed up a little bit.
Yeah, really speed up. Super speeding up.
Okay.
Speeding.
Okay, here's the fan,
Okay.
and we want it to blow in.
Yeah,
So which way is the arrow pointing?
This way.
This way, right?
Yeah.
So it goes that way.
Oh.
So we want the fan to blow in like this. Okay, so we're going to put this fan in here. I can't go all the way up to the top like I said before, but that's okay. I will get it installed right here, and that'll be good enough.
Grandpa,
Yes.
do you need the flashlight or no?
No, I do not need it right now. We're good.
I'll hold it if you need it. Okay.
Okay. Got 4 screws to put in. Let me hold it this way so we can see it better. Put the controller on. The controller for the fans.
I love the
Actually, for the RGB, right?
Yeah.
Just the rainbow. We got to put this in here now. The controller. Okay?
Okay.
And this is for the RGB. So we're going to put it over here. Okay? We're going to put it over here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So the way we do
Love
that.
it.
So the way we do that, the thing comes with something to connect it with. Okay, I found what we need. We need this little two-sided cushion thing with sticky stuff on both sides.
Yeah, we need that.
Yeah.
For sure.
So I take one side off first. Should come off, right?
Yeah, really should.
There it is. One side comes off, and I put this on the bottom of the controller. Okay?
Okay.
So I'll put it on the bottom of the controller like this. Right? And we press it. And then we take the other side of this off. Pull that off.
Well, can I feel it if it's sticky?
Yeah, it's sticky.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it's really sticky, right? And then we put this,
I thought it was like a teeny bit sticky.
then we
I
put
was
this
like,
in here. It sticks on here now, watch. And we wiggle it. Wiggle, jiggle, push it down. And it's not going anywhere. Now this wire here that we did,
Yeah.
guess where that goes?
In there.
In here. That's what it's
I
for.
did not know.
That way, that's
Grandpa,
why.
you did not tell me. I did
Oh,
not
I'm
know.
sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. And then this stuff, we have to go around to the front with it. Okay? But let's get the other stuff back here first.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Let me get the power supply in first, and then we'll do all these other wires, okay?
Okay.
Let me get the
That's
power supply
A
in.
great idea.
Hopefully I can get it in easily.
Yeah.
I'll take all these wires out of the way. The
Wish
power supply goes right in here.
Okay.
Remember this power supply thing?
Yep.
Look. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And it goes in this way. The fan, look, the fan has to go down. There's a filter here.
Oh.
Okay.
Grandpa, you did not tell me that either.
I keep forgetting to tell you things. I'm so sorry. Let's see if I can get it in here. Oh yeah, it's going right in. Look.
Okay, good. Oh, I hope it didn't bang itself.
No, I'm sure it's fine.
I hope it didn't ding itself.
No, it won't get a ding. No. Oh, what I do need though is that, and I don't have, is the screws that go on this.
Uh-oh.
So let's go find the screws, and we'll screw this on. Okay.
Okay.
So now I gotta go and put the screws on this. I left all the cables on so it's easier for later.
Oh.
Like that. So now we can put the screws in here. Yeah, let's see. This is probably it. Yeah, this is. You want to tighten this for me?
Yeah. Well,
Let's turn this around. Okay. And you'll tighten it right
You're
here.
putting it on me.
That's okay. It won't hurt you. Here.
And I was just
Tighten these screws. Here.
okay.
Good. Let's do
Yeah,
this
but
one.
super hard.
Super hard. Yeah, I know. These are big screws. Go ahead, turn it.
Grandpa, I'm gonna do it by myself.
Go ahead. Use two hands. Makes it easier.
Eye hurts.
It hurts.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry.
Okay, let's do this one. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, it just hurts.
Okay, let's do this one. That one's already tight, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just make sure they're all tight, and then we'll be ready to go.
And then me and Natalie is gonna go home when we're finished.
Yes. You're talking like the computer?
Yes.
Yeah. The computer wants to go home with you, Natalie. Yeah, so we got to connect this up to this. You say, look, we got to connect this up to this. Like that. Make sure it's the right way.
Where do you plug these two in?
We're going to push those through here first.
Oh.
And they're going to plug onto your motherboard. Okay? They're going to go onto your motherboard. Yeah. Like that. So I got to push it all the way through. And then we turn this over.
And we're gonna see my motherboard.
Yeah, and then we got to plug that into the motherboard.
Oh, there's a lot of wires there, but
I know, we got a lot of wires.
yeah, it's a mess.
It's too many wires? Is that what it is?
No, it's just a mess, Grandpa.
It's a mess. Grandpa made a mess. Okay, so we got to get this these plugged in. There's 8 of them. We got to get them plugged in all the way down. So let me get this down. Can I give me this flashlight?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Show me over there. Okay. I need to see what's going on down in that corner, way in here. See that black thing?
Yep.
Here, gotta do it like this. And I gotta put this all the way in that little connector down there. That's the hardest part. Let's see, I gotta hear it snap, listen. Hey, that's it, we're in. Okay. Okay, now this has got to fold back. This part of this we're not going to use.
Yeah.
So this one here, we're going to fold this back, and we're going to tie wrap these together. So I'll tie wrap them over here. Okay, so now we'll just leave that one there, like I said before. It'll go onto your card when we put the card there, okay? The card that'll go over here for your new USB ports.
Okay.
But now we have to plug in all these fans.
Oh gosh, that's gonna be long.
So here's one
time.
fan. So now I can take this card. Let me show you.
Wait. Okay.
We can take this card
Whoa.
now,
Ouch.
and we can put it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can put it in here. See?
Oh, that's why we have to.
That's right. Otherwise, you won't be able to get to your connectors for your card, right?
Yeah.
You have to be able to do that.
I did not know, Grumpy. You did not tell me.
Well, I'm telling you.
all.
I'm telling you now.
I know.
Sorry.
But when we first
I
started
should have
it,
told you. I know. I'm sorry.
did not know that. Did not
Now look at
know
that. You see those connectors there?
Yeah.
That's where you can plug your iPad in. Right? There's 3 of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can plug your iPad in there now to charge it.
Yes.
That's nice, right?
Yeah.
That's why I added that. So you
Yeah.
can charge your iPad from your computer.
Yes.
That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to happen. Okay? There we go. Now we're putting the power. So you have powerful connectors there. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to pull it through so that we have plenty of room. Let's go ahead and cable tie those fans, okay? While we can.
I'm doing it.
Okay, let's do the bottom and we're done. That's a mess of wires, huh?
Yeah.
That is a
Right.
lot of wires. But we gotta put this in here now.
And I really, really, really,
That's
really,
one.
really, really, really love this computer.
Good, I'm glad. That's 2. We got 2 of them done.
That's.
And we got a bunch more. We got 2 more over here. What we gotta do?
Delicate nuts.
These go over here. Actually, I should move these. This one should go
Am
over
I
here.
showing? Grandpa, look, am I showing?
Nope.
Grandpa, just look.
Okay, we got one there.
baby when you're doing.
This one.
Running away.
Look at this one here.
Yeah.
Picking the right place is the trick to this. Got so many of these wires. Oh my god.
Grandpa,
What?
these fans are moving by itself.
They are? Again? They keep doing that.
A monster's doing it.
A monster?
A big, huge
Tell the monster he has to go home. I don't want him around here.
Monster, stay here. He's still doing it.
Oh no.
He likes to do it. Grandpa, you know this? I'm joking.
Oh, okay, because you have me thinking there's a monster here.
Yeah.
It's getting me scared. You know, I don't like monsters.
There's a monster behind you, Grandpa.
There is?
Yeah. And he's really, really, really laughing.
He's laughing at me? Why?
Because you're talking.
He doesn't like me?
If you talk, then he laughs at you.
Oh,
So
no.
don't talk anymore.
I don't like monsters laughing at me.
He's still laughing when you're talking. He's not laughing at me when I'm talking.
Oh, no. He doesn't like me talking?
Shh. Actually, Grandpa, I'm joking. There's no monster.
Yeah.
I keep joking you.
Okay. So now, I'm going to straighten out these wires,
And also,
and then we'll be all done, okay? Okay, Natalie, let's take the plastic off. You've been waiting forever to do that. Wow. There's the tear. Beautiful, beautiful. Talk to you later. Well, here's my granddaughter's computer in its final home. As you can see, got a brand new desk as well. And the computer is sitting down right in there. I got a pink monitor. Come up to the top, you'll see that. It's got ears on it. Just like her headphones. Okay, so that's a good one. Well, thanks for watching.